to Singapore. So we're on our way to Bali, and from Davao, my quick layover, 5 hours and 45 minutes layover in Singapore. Kung may RCBC JCB card kayo, check nyo yung benefits kasi you might have free lounge key, complimentary passes. So check nyo. Pero since ang husband lang ang may JCB, I have to pay. Pero let's see if it's worth it. I hope it is. Over here, may laksa. And may iba-ibang ulam. Buffet. My bread station and butter and jam and my yogurt and my cereal, and over here my soda, juice, milk, and yogurt ulit. Ayan, my wine, my ibang alcoholic drinks, sparkling or still water. Ngayon, nandito na naman kami sa Terminal 3, where merong free movie theater all day, all nights. So, tingnan natin anong schedule for today. It's what time ngayon?
Anong Doolittle?
Dr. Dolittle. Let's go inside and have a look. Baka bawal ang video? Or... Ooh. Kami ngayon sa Sundo. Nag-book kami ng private car. Book kami ng private car on Klook. Ang first villa namin, we'll be staying for 6 nights.
6 nights.
And first 3 nights will be sa Ubud. And the rest of the stay is sa Saminyak. So first sa Ubud kami. And ang nabook namin private car is worth 900 plus pesos. So, sulit na din kasi it's a 1-hour drive from the airport. So, yeah, let's go! So, dito na kami. Nag-withdraw muna kami ng money sa ATM. Every time umaalis kami, ginagamit namin is GoTime. Kasi mura lang yung exchange rate. Mas makakatipid kayo usually kaysa sa money exchange. And ang currency dito sa Indonesia is Indonesian rupiah?
IDR.
Basta IDR. And pagdating mo dito, isa kang milyonaryo. 2 million ito. Wow. 2.5. First time kong makahawak ng 2.5 million. Pero, rupiah. So, dito na kami sa labas. And, paglabas nyo lang, makikita nyo itong Klook shop. So, dyan namin pupuntahan yung driver. Hi guys! Nakarating na kami dito sa Ubud, sa villa namin. Firefly Villa. Maganda yung room. Hindi siya expectation versus reality. So, kung anong nakita ko sa Airbnb na photos, ay yun talaga yung itsura niya in actual. So, which is good. Ilalagay ko yung Airbnb link below para ma-check nyo din. Labas ng room, may balcony siya na may view ng jungle at ng river. Hindi lang siya kita kasi malamang gabi na. And may outdoor bathtub. So, bukas na tayo mag-room tour para mas ma-appreciate ninyo. So, yeah, kain muna kami. Since dumating kami ng 9 PM na and medyo pagod na, so nag-order na lang kami ng food via Gojek. So, in-order namin is chicken. So, let's try this one. It's day 2, our first full day here in Bali, Indonesia. So, super aga kami ngayon. 6 AM. Kasi may Nusa Penida tour kami. So, house tour tayo bukas. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Sanur Port. So, while waiting for 8 AM pa kasi yung boat ride. So, while waiting, kain lang kami ng baon namin for breakfast. Tortillo. So, I got me a cheese something. And ito is chocolate. Ito lahat sila waiting din for the boat ride, which is at 8 AM. So, currently it's still 7:12. So, may couple of minutes pa. So, while waiting, hindi pa kayo nag-breakfast, pwede kayong pumunta sa mga nearby restaurants and cafes. Hi guys! So, we're on our way. It's now 8 AM. And exactly 8 AM. Alis na kayo sa waiting area. Going to Sanur Harbor or port. Sasakay tayo ng ferry to Nusa Penida Island. And it will take, sabi nila, is 45 minutes. And sa mga dagaton, ang Tagalog ng dagaton? Seasick. Basta yung mga nasi-seasick. Take daw kayo ng, I recommend taking Bonamil. Kasi 45 minutes yung trip. So, yeah. Nusa Penida Island. Sobrang balod. Tagalog ng balod.
Wave.
Basta balod. Sa ganit na, uy. Sino nilang balod na? Basta. So, sobrang maalon. Yon. Sobrang maalon. So, be prepared and ako, I got through it kasi nag-bonaging. So, yan. Pagdating niya ng port, maraming Klook drivers. If nag-book kayo through Klook, so just look for your name. And let's go. Now, dito na tayo sa Diamond Beach. So, Diamond Beach is sa east side ng Nusa Penida Island. Diamond Beach apparently because shaped like diamonds yan yung little islands, yung mga rocks. On this side is Atu Beach. Pero since taga Pilipinas tayo, hindi amazing yung beach char. Welcome to and maganda siya pero expect a lot of lakad and baon na madaming pasensya kasi aside sa akyat baba yung papunta ng treehouse, may queue for photo. So we paid 200k in total. For separate yung entrance fee and separate yung fee for photo. So somebody will take the photos for you. And if tatanungin kung we will recommend this, what's the answer?
No.
Maganda siya, yes, pero expectation versus reality lang siya a bit. Kapoy isang understatement. Kapoy siya, kaayo. Lots of steps. And okay lang, medyo kaya pa ang pababa. Pero good luck, pabalik, paakyat. So, tapos, hindi naman gaano malagkit yung humid. Hindi ganun humid. Maginit. So, now we're on our way to Kelingking Beach and have our lunch buffet, which is kasama na rin sa food tour. Go!
Hi guys.
Finally, lunch buffet.
Lunch. 210.
Yeah, 2:10 late lunch. Kasi from east, west, yung Kelingking Beach, which is dito yung buffet restaurant. Simple buffet lang siya. Rice, noodles, and 3 ulam. So, let's eat! Guys, ito kami sa Kelingking Beach. Galing na kami doon actually. Short walk lang siya from the parking lot. Post na lang namin ang pixie here. Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Angel's Billabong. Broken Beach pala. And Angel's Billabong. So, ito yung last stop before kami babalik na Bali Island. So, last stop, Angel's Billabong. So, quick lang and kailangan makabalik na kami ng port before 5 PM kasi yun yung last trip na ferry. So, go! Hi guys! We're back in our villa here in Ubud. So, straight from Nusa Penida Detour, nag-decide kami na umuwi kasi nakakapagod. And nag-order na lang kami ng food via Gojek. And maganda din kasi yung villa namin, susulitin namin. Look, this is the lounge area. Andyan yung pool. And what better way to spend the night in Bali kundi manood ng Eat, Pray, Love. Marvin Samako versus Eat, Pray, Love. For now, Eat, Pray, Love muna, Marvin, ha? And ito ang dinner namin. Mine is mee goreng.
Nasi
For
goreng.
my husband is nasi goreng. And how is it?
It's good. Very good.
And my pork satay.
Satay.
Okay, let's eat. Hi guys! It's day 2 in Ubud. So ngayon, brunch kami dito sa famous Kretcha Ubud. So since walking lang, we got our tickets for 50k. So dalawa na. 50k each pala. 50k each.
Naman,
50k each. So that's mga 180 pesos or almost 200. And separate pa yung bayad sa restaurant. So, let's go! Dito kami ngayon sa Cyan House
Super Saiyan.
for sunset views. So sunset today is at 6:17 p.m. and it's currently 5:30. So
Thank you.
order kami ng drink and fish and chips while waiting for the sun to set. Cyan House in Ubud.
Super Saiyan.
Very nice place. Nag-book kami and nag-reserve kami through their website. Hi guys! It's our last full day here in Ubud. So kanina galing lang kami ng Kretya for brunch and supposedly punta kami ng Monkey Forest but kinapos na sa time. So sunset bar ba? Sunset watching na lang kami sa the Cyan House. Cyan House, super nice place para mag-watch ng sunset and not bad naman yung ibang drinks except for wine, yung mga cocktails, medyo pricey as expected kasi maganda yung place. So now, we're back in our villa para ma-enjoy pa namin yung villa namin. And nag-order lang kami via Gojek again. Ito ang in-order namin sa Bella Pizza Ubud. And I ordered monkey business yung tawag dito na drink. Top picks daw ito according sa Gojek. So, let's try. And bintang again for the husband. Pa-check out na kami here sa Ubud Villa. And before we check out, ngayon muna tayo mag-room tour. So, pagpasok nyo is my toilet. Separate ang toilet and bath. And then, here's the bath. Yan, my shower. My shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. And sink. And here's the bedroom. I mean, here's the bed. Here's the bed. And may aparador, may hanger, may iron, and my food, but not free, of course. So, syempre, di nabawasan yan. My table if you want to work, and my complimentary coffee and tea sugar. And the best part of this villa is ang balcony. Let's go. So it opens up to a balcony na may jungle view and river view. Pero hindi naman maganda yung river. Pero may sounds of nature kayo dito. And my outdoor bathtub. And chairs where you can chill and soak in the beauty of nature. Char. Tong villa na to for only 11,000, around 11,000 pesos for 3 nights na yun. And not bad na kasi super maganda yung villa. And usually kasi dito sa Bali, medyo affordable lang yung mga villas. So, take time to look for nice villas sa Airbnb. We booked this in Airbnb and I can put the link here so you can check. So, bye Ubud! Punta na kami ng Seminyak today. Hi guys! Galing kami ng Sacred Monkey Forest dito sa Ubud. So before kami pupunta ng Seminyak, dumaan muna kami dito to see the monkeys. Wala kaming video sa loob kasi delikado baka kunin ng mga monkeys yung phone. So, post na lang namin ang photos. Oh! Post na lang namin ang pictures dito. Uy, naapalam! Meron pa. Palabas na kami actually dito. Punta na kami ng food center. Before kami punta sa Miyak. Tingnan nyo. Ayun. So, ang binayaran namin for entrance fee is 150k. Tama?
100 lang?
Ang binayaran namin for entrance fee is 100k for each. And nagko-close sila 6 p.m. So dumating kami almost 5 p.m. na. Okay naman na kahit 1 hour lang. Sulit na din. So yun, let's go to Ubud Center. Hi guys! Dito kami sa Naughty Nuri. Popular din to na food spot here in Seminyak. Around Bali actually.
Hello?
So, nakaupo na kami since dumating kami dito ng 8:30 p.m. So, yung line is hindi na mahaba. 8:40 p.m. Hindi na mahaba. Kasi usually yung line na mahaba is starts at 6:30 p.m. Between 6:30 p.m. to around 7:30 or 8 p.m.
Yes,
This is
yes.
dinner time. So,
Dinner
ito
time.
medyo past dinner time na. So, it's a good, din, hack. Hi guys, nag-order kami ng isang iced tea, isang lychee iced tea, and isang mocktail. May 6 selections yung mocktail nila and we chose the number 6, which is yung sweet. May condensed milk, may
Strawberry.
ambot. Kalimutan ko. Basta, may milk, something ganon.
Strawberry? Vanilla ice cream.
Actually, malaki siya. Malaki. Oh, look. So, pwede na siguro share lang kayo. Pero hindi namin alam. So, kaya natin to. Ito is 45k rupiah and ito is 40k rupiah. So, around 150 pesos. And waiting na lang kami sa food.
Sabi na...
Wala ka. Naughty Nuri.
Ano siya?
So, itong mocktail number 6, masarap siya, lalo na kapag have a sweet tooth. So,
Di ba kayo?
Lami. Must try. And yung lychee din, masarap. Ano masasabi mo sa lychee?
Sabi na... Grounding.
Bill reveal! 448,500 rupiah, which is how much?
1 plus.
Hi guys! Dito na tayo sa Seminyak, sa Dikubu Villa. So, may private pool, may beanbags, and pagpasok nyo, may lounge, may living room with kitchen, may microwave, may free bottle water, dalawang ganito, and coffee, sugar, and everything nice. And yung TV, na ano siya, na flip. Sample daw. Oh. Oh, diba? Oh, so ito yung, so open, ano lang siya, parang open planning. So, dito is yung bed. And, tada! TV. Maganda siya. And mura lang namin ito nakuha. Nakuha namin for 11,000 for 3 nights. Mura na yon dito sa Seminyak. Tapos, ano siya, private pool na siya. So, let's go to the bathroom. Yan, may bathtub na direct siya sa swimming pool. Pero may curtain naman kung gusto niya i-close. And yan, may bathrobes. Malaki yung toilet, yung bathroom actually. And maganda. And mabango. And may free shower cap, yung mga usual freebies ng hotel. Dental kit. And yan. So, yep. That's it for the quick room tour. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 1 here in Seminyak. So, yung villa namin, it comes with free breakfast also, and may fee selection sila. So, for this morning, for today, American breakfast for the hubby, and pancake for me, char. And my option na juice, coffee, tea. So, yun. So, let's hope masarap siya.
It's 8 par.
And mura lang naman dito. So, sulit na din talaga. So, yeah, let's eat. Hello guys! Dito kami sa Kind Community here in Seminyak. And try namin yung famous acai bowl and vegan burger. Kumusta ang vegan burger?
Burger?
Masaya ka ba dito? Siyempre, hindi. So, try na natin. Ito is 100k rupiah. Tapos, additional lang ng 25k rupiah for letters. Maximum of 8 letters. So, let's try! Dito kami ngayon sa cafe.
So, 320?
Dito kami sa cafe 32?
32 DO. 32 DO.
Nakita na namin sa TikTok. 32 DO. Viral coffee shop siya dito. Viral coffee shop siya dito sa Seminyak na may waterfalls sa entrance. And it's currently 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So, mahaba yung pila. But nag-provide sila ng umbrellas. So, kung kaya nyo maghintay, I hope it will be worth it. Order na kami ng drinks. Ito is Kool-Aid, so parang mga refreshments nila. Ito, I ordered caramel coffee, something. Parang caramel macchiato, isa sa bestseller daw nila. And it looks good! Dito na kami sa Malini Uluwatu. Malini Restaurant. So, yan. So, super nice dito. Makita nyo ito, popular to sa TikTok. Super nice ng sunset and especially yung cliff views. Yung famous din sa The Edge na view. And dito, actually, originally, dun kami nakaupo. Ayun, that table over there. Tapos madaming unggoy sa gilid. Nag-order ako ng isang drink. Kinuha niya yung lychee drink yung in-order ko. Kinuha niya yung lychee. So, hindi ko nainom. So, pero pinalitan naman nila for free. Pero medyo mapraning ka na afterwards. So, nilipat kami dito na table. So, good luck dun sa bagong lucky winner. And nag-order kami ng ano to?
Nasi
goreng seafood. And sa akin is seafood pasta. Seminyak and it's 8:30 a.m. Sinerve na yung breakfast dito sa villa namin. We're staying at Di Kubu Villa, Bali and... Ito? Di Kubu Bali Villa and Suites. So, for today, nasi goreng, hubs, and as for me, American breakfast. Habang nanonood sa isa sa aming favorite vlogger, si JM Bangkisho. Favorite namin si JM aside from Marvin din. Si Marvin din yung happy pill namin. Especially while working or may ginagawa, nakikinig kami kay Marvin. Ito guys, parang chicha wrap. Sarap siya. Pero mas masarap pa siya sa chicha.
Chicha masarap?
Hmm?
Chicha masarap.
Kain mo, Jo? Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa flea market sa Seminyak. Malapit lang siya sa Seminyak Village and Seminyak Square. Bale, walking distance lang. So dito lahat ng shops, pang souvenirs, and kung anong mga anik-anik. So, let's see kung may mabili tayo. Baka ref magnet. Ano i-buy natin dito lang?
Magnet.
See? Bili kami ng ref magnet. Hello guys! Ito na kami ngayon. After flea market, ito kami ngayon na Seminyak Beach para mag-sunset watching. Day here in Seminyak. So for to end our Bali trip, kakain namin is babi guling. Pero hindi ka na po mag-explain.
Pero, bakit nirakak?
Yung babi guling pala is parang sa atin pa lechon. Tapos itong yung sikat na babi guling dito, si Babi Guling Pakmalen, close na siya. Kasi dinner time kami pumunta. Close na siya. May nakita kaming isang parang babi guling pa din. Si Guling Samsam Merikak. So apparently, parang ano daw pala, Samsam Merikak is pork belly. So parang lechon pa din pero belly part lang. So,
lechon belly.
And it looks good. And order kami ng small plate for sharing. 1/4. And dalawang rice. Total is 106 IDR. So, nasa mga 300-400 in pesos. So, let's try! ASMR. Tinan niyo kung gano'n ka, kaya yung gano'n ka crunchy. Ay, crispy pala. Wow! Masarap siya, guys. Sarap. Parang similar sa pork belly, pero mas flavorful. For me. At least for me, yes. Hi guys! So, galing na kami ng Guling Samsam Merikak Kota. Yung babi guling. So, ngayon, balik na kami ng villa namin dito sa Di Kubu Bali Villa
and Suites.
So, di pala namin kayo na tour. So, last night na namin ngayon and instead na plano sana namin mag-try ng mga beach club pero kasi mga 30 taon na kami.
Anong 30 taon?
Mga 30 taon na kami.
Ano yan?
Wala na kaming energy nun. So, bumili na lang kami pumunta na lang kami ng Circle K, yung convenience store dito. So, pumunta na lang kami ng Circle K para bumili ng drink. Good morning, guys! So, today is check-out day na and our flight back to PH. So, last breakfast sa villa namin. French toast at saka American breakfast. While watching our favorite vlogger, Marvin Samako. Shout out! Marvin Samako. So, yun. Kain lang kami. Then, flight namin is at 2 p.m. So, medyo may time pa kami. Baka try namin pumunta ng isang coffee shop before we head to the airport. So, yeah, good morning and kain tayo. Tingnan nyo guys, yung bathroom, may bathtub siya na cortina lang, walang door. And it opens to the pool. Maganda siya dito. Very aesthetic, very Instagrammable. Perfect sa mga aura-aura ninyo. And my bean bags. Bye guys! Check out na kami. Dito kami, Villa for... So, ito yung hall. May 10 rooms, may 10 villas dito, 10 private villas. So, ang staff is fully booked daw. Since maganda din naman kasi talaga. Use my code na ako lang nakakaalam. Starbucks Reserve Dewata. Malapit lang siya sa Sabinya. So, parang roastery siya. Malaki, maganda. Maganda dito guys. Nice space siya. Maraming cool and interesting and unique na mga benta. Like for example, ito. Look. Oh, very Bali. Yung tumbler. Kung mahilig kayo sa tumbler. So, may mga cute din na plushies. Ito. Madami pang iba dito. Dito na kami sa airport. Before kami pumasok, bumili muna kami ng konting pasalubong sa Bali Banana. Bili kami doon ng Thai Susu. Parang sikat nila na delicacy. So, di na kasi kami nagkaroon ng time para bumili sa mga popular spots like Krishna ba yun? Krishna. So, dyan na lang kami bumili. And ngayon, wait na lang kami ng flight namin. It's currently 11 a.m. and flight namin is at 2 p.m. So, hanap tayo ng makakainan for lunch. Hi guys! Dito na kami ngayon. Nakaalis na kami ng Bali. Dito na kami ngayon ng Singapore. Dito yung connecting, ay layover namin before Davao City. So, punta muna kami ng Jewel. May 3-hour layover kami. Punta kami ng Jewel. Tapos, kakain muna kami sa mga hawker. And, we missed this. Salted egg chicken and char siu. So, let's eat! Hi guys! Tapos na kami kumain. Tapos, before kami pupunta ng boarding gate, try namin itong viral sa TikTok dito sa Jewel. Matcha on top. I ordered strawberry matcha. Lalagay nila yung strawberry tapos ikaw yung maglalagay ng matcha from the top. Pero naka-auto stop siya. So, hindi siya unlimited. And this is 7 SGB. 7 SGB pa. So around
200
plus
80 to 80.
200 in peso. So let's try it. Masarap.